Are you constantly tired, anxious, or struggling to sleep, even though your blood work looks normal? The truth is, your body might be begging for one mineral, magnesium. And if you're over 60, the risk of magnesium deficiency skyrockets, making your muscles weaker, your bones thinner, and your nerves jittery. In this video, we'll uncover 8 shocking signs your body is crying out for magnesium and the best natural ways to fix it fast. Don't skip this, especially if you're taking blood pressure meds or dealing with muscle cramps. Watch until the end to discover the number one symptom most seniors ignore until it's too late. Let's begin. Sign number 8, constant muscle cramps and spasms. Ever feel your legs twitch randomly at night? Or experience sudden cramps in your calves or feet? That's not just aging. It's a sign your muscles are low on magnesium, which helps them contract and relax. Without enough magnesium, your nerves fire uncontrollably, causing painful spasms. Fix. Add magnesium-rich foods like spinach, pumpkin seeds, or almonds to your dinner. Or talk to your doctor about magnesium citrate supplements if cramps are frequent. Sign number 7, irregular heartbeat or palpitations. If your heart skips beats, flutters, or races unexpectedly, don't ignore it. Magnesium plays a key role in maintaining heart rhythm. Low levels can disrupt electrical signals in the heart, leading to palpitations or even arrhythmias. Studies show that seniors with magnesium deficiency are twice as likely to develop heart rhythm disorders. Don't wait. Get tested and consider adding foods like avocados or black beans to your daily diet. Sign number 6, chronic fatigue and weakness. Always feeling drained, even after a good night's sleep? Magnesium helps convert food into energy, and without it, your cells can't function properly. The result? You feel tired, sluggish, and unable to focus. Doctors often miss this because routine blood tests don't reflect cellular magnesium levels. A natural fix? Try chia seeds, quinoa, or even dark chocolate, all rich in magnesium and senior-friendly. Sign number 5, trouble sleeping or waking up. Tired sleep is everything. But if you're tossing and turning, magnesium could be the missing link. It helps regulate melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep-wake cycle. Plus, it calms the nervous system, reducing nighttime anxiety. A small 2012 study found that magnesium supplements improved sleep time and quality in seniors over 60. Try a warm cup of magnesium-rich chamomile tea before bed. Sign 4, bone loss or osteoporosis. Think calcium is all your bones need? Think again. Magnesium is essential for activating vitamin D, which is what helps your bones absorb calcium. Without magnesium, calcium just passes through your system. Research from the Journal of Nutrition found that women with higher magnesium intake had 3% higher bone density. Add cashews, tofu, and whole grains to your meals regularly. Sign number 3, high blood pressure. Nearly 70% of seniors have high blood pressure, and magnesium could be the natural fix they're missing. It relaxes blood vessel walls, helping reduce pressure without side effects. A 2016 meta-analysis found that magnesium supplementation lowered systolic blood pressure by 4 points in adults. That's enough to reduce stroke risk by 13%. Speak to your doctor before supplementing, especially if you're on BP meds. Sign number 2, anxiety, irritability, or mood swings. Do small things upset you lately? Or do you feel unusually anxious or restless? Your brain might be low on magnesium. It helps regulate GABA, a neurotransmitter that calms the brain. In fact, magnesium is often called nature's tranquilizer. Seniors with low magnesium levels are more prone to depression and mood changes. Natural solution? Try leafy greens, bananas, and whole wheat bread. Sign number 1. Frequent headaches or migraines. Headaches that come out of nowhere. Could be magnesium. It relaxes blood vessels in the brain, and low levels cause them to constrict, triggering pain. Research shows that migraine sufferers often have lower magnesium levels, especially seniors. If this sounds like you, try adding Epsom salt baths or consider magnesium glycinate, which absorbs well and is gentle on digestion. Even 2 of these signs sound familiar. Your body might be quietly starving for magnesium. But the good news is, you don't need expensive treatments or pills to fix it. Just small dietary changes, like adding a handful of pumpkin seeds, a bowl of leafy greens, or a piece of dark chocolate, can naturally rebuild your magnesium levels. These aren't just tips. They're research-backed actions that could improve your sleep, calm your nerves, protect your heart, and even reduce pain. I make these videos so seniors like you can take control of your health, naturally and safely. If you've experienced any of these symptoms, tell me in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share. It might just help someone you love. Take care and see you in the next one.